try to make your own decorative diyas at home. Before starting, make sure you have subscribed to my channel. First of all, color your diya with your favorite color. For a nice base, you can color it with white paint and then apply your favorite color on it. Now take your colored diya and paste some sticky crystals as shown. You should always try to use your imagination and creativity to give your creation a beautiful and a unique look. For the red colored diya, cut the triangles out of this star-shaped sticker and paste it as shown. You can add a sticky crystal on the top of the triangle. The diya is ready to sparkle in your Diwali. Here are some more ideas. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching.